and welcome to Violin with Catherine. This video is a tutorial on a short piece called Ride Ride by Dmitri Kabalevsky. This piece is great for early violin players. Thanks for joining me here today at Violin with Catherine. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. If you are a regular, welcome back. Piece is in the key of D major, and for our D major scale and for this piece we will use our M or middle hand shape. Make sure you warm up with your D major scale, and if you're not sure how to do this, you can check out the videos currently suggested on screen to help you. Starting on the D string, we're going to run up on the D string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, open D. Again, running up, but this time we're going to move up to the A string and then to the E string. Starting on the D, 0, 1, 2, 3, now open A, and then third finger on the A. Back to the D, 0, 1, 2, 3, open A, now first finger on the E string. Back to the D. 0, 1, 2, 3, open A, then third finger on the E string, first finger on the E, open E, and third finger on the A string. Next, first finger on the E, open E, third finger on the A, second finger on the A. Now on the A, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now 4 on the A, third on the A, second on the A, first finger on the A. Now running up and down, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, open A, onto the D, third finger, second on the D, first on the D, and the next two lines are the same as the first two lines. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all on the D. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1, 2, open D. 0, 1, 2, 3 on the A, open A, then 3, back to the D. 0, 1, 2, 3, open A, then first finger on the E, back to the D. 0, 1, 2, 3, open A, third on the E, first finger on the E, open E, and third finger on the A. Thanks so much for joining me here today. If you liked this video, please make sure you let me know by hitting the like button down below, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see in other videos.